Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist, leather trim seats, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.